Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. And so, if you didn't see my first video, go check that out, go back, check it out. But what I've figured out, what I might do is, they're now selling these, like the sticker collection. And I've got some of these, some of the stickers. So what I'm going to do is every week I might open like 5 packs and just see who I get out of them. So let's get straight into it. Right, so the first pack, starting off with these. So we've got Big E. Oh, I forgot her name. Roman Reigns. Yep. Liv Morgan, that's her. Liv Morgan. Right, let's open it. Right. So, as you can see, turn that over. Right, first card. Boom! Who's that? I'm not quite sure who that is, but there's one. Let's open it. Something like up here. Yeah. Next one. Boom! I don't know if you can see that well. Ooh! It's Black Heart in a tank. Can you see that? It's Black Heart in a tank. Quite cool, quite cool. Right, next one. Boom! Who is that? Is that? I was gonna say if that's Shawn Michaels. Is that Shawn Michaels? I don't know. We'll put that there. Okay, next one. Boom! Wait, we've got the where Kevin Owens is jumping off the WrestleMania sign on Seth Rollins, who's at the bottom. Quite a good one. Next one. Boom! Ooh, Alexa Bliss. Well, the scary Alexa Bliss. Quite good, quite good. Next one. Boom! Ooh, oh, it's Becky Lynch doing her bar thingy. Quite good. Boom! Hey! Triple H. Ooh, quite good card, that one. Quite like that one. Triple H. Boom! What's this? Who is that? I don't know her name. I don't know who she is, but we'll put her there. Next one. Boom! Oh, yes! Whoa. Got a shiny Becky Lynch. Now that's cool. That's cool. Right, last one. Ready? Boom! Hey, it's the WrestleMania badge. Ooh, that's good, good. So I've got my favourite ones. Becky Lynch. Maybe that one. Quite like the Triple H and all. I quite like all of them. Even though I don't know 3 of their names, but I know the rest. Quite cool. Right, we'll move them over there. Right. 1 packet down, as you can see. Next packet. Right, who have we got on it? Gosh, Sasha Banks, Drew McIntyre, and Bayley. Just need to check that you can't see them. Right, there we go. So, firstly, boom. Oh, we got Alexa Bliss, the scary one, but now we've got Bray Wyatt as well. Quite like that one, it's a cool one. Right, next one. Boom. I don't know who that kind of looks like Ric Flair, I'm not gonna lie. Is that Ric Flair? I'm not too sure. I'll put him there. Next one. Ooh, I got Roman Reigns. at Survivor Series when he won. Quite cool, quite cool. Put that one there. The next one. Bam. Hey! We've got the old Big E. The Big E. Next one. Bam. Oh, is that John Morrison? Then we got John Morrison there. Quite cool. Right, next one. Hey, we've got 2 belts. Becky. And she won both SmackDown and the Women's Raw Championship. Right, next one. Boom. Ooh, we got the WrestleMania 10 badge. Cool one. Boom. What's that? Oh, it's Becky Lynch's entrance. Can you see that? Wait, until it focuses. Well, yeah, it's Becky Lynch's entrance. Oh, you can see it there. You see it there? There. That's good. So move these back. Right, next one. Bam! Ooh, got a shiny Angel Garza. Cool. Last one. Boom! That Shelton Benjamin. Ooh. Right, the best players probably Shelton Benjamin. I quite like this one. The man, Becky Lynch. And probably this one, WrestleMania. And I'll say Angel Garza since it's just a shiny. Right, so they're good. Put them over there. For now. Right. Next pack. 3 more packs to go. Right, I need to make sure you can't see these. Right, let's see. I found this thing. I'm not sure what this is. What is this? I'm trying to like unstick it. Is it like a sticker? I'm not sure, but I don't know what this is. It looks like a sticker. Put that over there. Right, here we go. Ready? Boom! Oh, it's the Fiend. Yeah, is that the Kevin Owens, I think? I think that's Kevin Owens. The Fiend attacking. Oh, look, he's up here now. Here he is. This one. Hey. We'll put him over the top. Right, again. Boom! Ooh, Johnny Gargano. Ooh. Put him there. Zoom. Wow, we've got Roman Reigns from NXT. That was probably like 6-7 years ago. I'm not too sure. Right, next one. Boom. Oh, when Daniel Bryan won the championship. WWE champion. Next one. Boom. Oh, it's when John Cena and Bray Wyatt went steel cage. Ooh. Next one. Bam. It's, what's his name? Oh, it's right, Elias's buddy. It's like Ryder or something like that. I don't know, but I know who he is, but ooh, we got the Undertaker doing his last ride move. No, not the last ride. What am I talking about? Where he grabs the person's arm and then just hits him on the elbow. That's a cool one. He's attacking Shawn Michaels and all. Boom! Oh, we've got a lot of Becky Lynch's. Ooh. Got her there. Boom! Oh, we've got Bret Hart. Bret the Hitman Hart. That's a good one. I quite like that one. Last one. Shinsuke Nakamura. Ooh. Favorite ones in that pack? Probably the friend took my heart. Shinsuke Nakamura. And probably The Undertaker. And also The Fiend. Because they're just iconic. Well, the Undertaker definitely is iconic. Right. 2 packs remaining. Hopefully we get 2 good ones out of these. Right. First one. Right, make sure you can't see who they are. Because they usually all just randomly like change like different directions. Right. Put that there. Right. First one. Boom. Oh yes. The Viper, Randy Orton. That's a good one. Boom, next one. Got, I think that's half of Carmella. I think you get like 2, you have to get 2 of them to like make it fit. So there you go, that's half of her. See if we get the other half up in here. Zoom. Ooh, got the another WrestleMania badge. Very, very cool. Next one. Boom. We've got the boss, Sasha Banks. Ooh. Boom. Oh, showed you 2 there. Who's that? Oh, it's Jinder Mahal and thingy. The old X 24/7 championship. Mo thingy. I don't know. But yeah, he wins there. He wins there. But that's when he won the Royal Rumble. Next one. Oh, Stone Cold Steve Austin. Ooh. Boom. Oh, I thought we got Carmella. But no, it's half of Daniel Bryan. Ooh. Oh, we've got another WrestleMania badge. And a little WrestleMania badge. Boom. It's the Big Show. There, we've got the Big Show. Right, last one. What's it gonna be? Boom. Oh yeah, Seth Rollins. So we've got Randy Orton and Seth Rollins. Ooh. They had a great match when Randy Orton did an awesome RKO stomp, flicked off RKO. Pretty good, that one. Quite like that one. So favourites, definitely these 2 because they're both shinies, you know. I'm just picking all the shiny ones, yeah. Right, them 2 and probably Stone Cold and Big Show. There we go. They're my favourites. Yours are good as well. But they're my favourites. Right, last pack. Ooh. Ooh, what we're gonna get. Make sure you can see. Right. Right, here we go. Boom. Oh, got another Fiend. I think that's when you beat John Cena. We'll put him over there as well, on top of him. Next one, boom. Oh, got R-Truth winning the 24/7 championship. Good moment for him. Next one, boom. Who's that? Oh, it's Seth Rollins doing a frog splash on 2. Who's he doing it on? Is that? It looks like the Big Show or something like that. I don't know who it is, but he's Seth Rollins. Oh, we got another Seth Rollins when he won the championship. That's a cool moment for him. Right, next one. Boom! Who is that? Oh, got Edge. Oof. Looks angry there. Jesus. Boom! And we've got Keith Lee. Keith Lee. Next one. Boom. Who are them two? I'm not sure. I know it's this one here. I think it's Bro. Matt Riddle. I don't know who the one that's flying is. I think that's Matt Riddle though. Boom. Oh, we've got half of Retribution. Half of the Retribution. Alright, the last two of the pack opening. Boom. Ooh, Nikki Cross. The Scottish woman. Right, final one. Boom. Drew McIntyre. The WWE champion. Drew McIntyre. I'll show you all the shinies first. Let me just get rid of all these. All of the shinies I got in that pack with them. So, oh, I forgot to say, that's half of Keith Lee as well. It's not the full one, just half. So I've got them two. Got Randy Orton, shiny. Seth Rollins. I like the big ones, they're quite cool. Right, where's the other shinies? Got Shelton Benjamin. Shiny WrestleMania badge. Not probably one of my favourites. Shiny Becky Lynch. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll put it there. There you go. Then we've got Angel Garza. We'll put him on top because you've seen these ones. So, Angel Garza. What else? Got Bret Hart. And I think that's all of them. No. Forgot one. Shinsuke Nakamura. So there, I'm quite happy. All shinies, quite good. This one's quite cool. The Becky Lynch, that's really cool. Okay. But yeah, I think that's going to be the end. I'm going to stick these into my book off camera. And yeah. So, I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye. Bye bye.